Hello moneymakers, let's see today's top 5 market updates. Unemployment rate and non-farm payroll numbers out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The unemployment rate for May will be out today at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is projected to rise to 19.8% from 14.7% in April. The sharp jump comes after a period when unemployment had reached 50-year lows. But business shutdowns because of the COVID-19 virus sparked a sudden and catastrophic loss of economic activity in March that is continuing to work itself out even as the restrictions ease. The numbers for non-farm payrolls in May will be released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The estimate is for a loss of another 8 million, but that is an improvement from the 20 million decline reported for April. Crude oil higher with OPEC meeting set for weekend. Oil markets pushed higher Friday amid expectations major oil producers will meet over the weekend to discuss extending record production cuts. WTI crude futures traded 1.7% higher at $38.06 a barrel. The international benchmark Brent contract rose 2.4% to $40.94. Earlier Friday, the Russian Energy Ministry confirmed in a video conference that a meeting of the OPEC Plus members would be held on Saturday. There had been doubts that this meeting would occur amid disputes about quota busting by various members of the group, notably Iraq. EU sets up financial unit due to new risks amid COVID-19. The European Union on Friday set up a unit of investigators to tackle an expected surge in financial crime in the economic downturn triggered by the COVID-19 pandemic and crack down on defrauding of state subsidies. The European Financial and Economic Crime Centre will be set up within Europol, the EU law enforcement agency, and will employ 65 analysts to gather and share intelligence. German industry orders in record slump, but worst is likely over. Orders for German industrial goods fell 25.8% in April, suffering their biggest drop since records began in 1991. But the low point has probably passed for the backbone of Europe's largest economy, the Economy Ministry said on Friday. Official figures showed that domestic orders dropped 22.3%, while orders from abroad were down 28.1%. Germany is facing the prospect of its deepest recession since World War II, even though a lockdown that had shuttered shops, businesses and factories is now being eased. IAG considering legal challenge against UK quarantine rules. British Airways parent company IAG said it is considering launching a legal challenge against the UK government's 14-day quarantine rule for incoming travellers. Willie Walsh, the chief executive of IAG, told on Friday that there had been no consultation with the industry prior to the legislation being brought in and that the new rules would torpedo the airline's chances of flying in July. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for regular updates only at Capital Street FX.